What are some good options income strategies? Here are some effective options income strategies traders can employ. Covered calls. Writing calls against stock owned can generate steady premium income. Works well in sideways markets and on dividend stocks. Cash secured puts. Selling puts lets you get paid to wait for dips to buy stocks at lower prices. Premium sells helps lower your cost basis. The wheel strategy, a dynamic approach using covered calls and cash secured puts together, generates income while allowing adjustments over multiple weeks/months. Calendar spreads. Time spreads like bull call or bear put calendars collect premium from short-term options expiring before long-term options. Profits when the stock stays flat. Straddles and strangles, selling premium on both sides of the options market in a neutral strategy. Works well when implied volatility is high around events. Condor spreads. Constructed debit spreads like iron condors maximize premium received for ranges expected in stocks. Low risk, decent reward over time. Covered calls. ETFs. Specialized funds like KILD and RILD pay out high monthly distributions through covered call writing income. Hands-free approach. Managing these strategies carefully around price action, news and volatility can lead to consistent income generation over time on top of any share price appreciation. Get more info from the link below.